Good morning, students. This is the questions of your Olympiad examinations. So today I will discuss these question answers and you practice these question answers also. In our syllabus, having few chapters are there like vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, nouns and pronouns, verbs, adverbs and adjectives, articles and prepositions, conjunctions and contractions, tenses, jumble words and idioms or proverbs, comprehensions, spoken and written expression or punctuations. So this is the syllabus. Today I will discuss the first chapter, that is vocabulary. Vocabulary, in that first question number 1 is choose the correctly spelled word. Choose the correctly spelled word. That means choose the correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling. You see, in questions number 1, here see 4 words are there, that is the pronunciation is appetizer. So you see, number 1 is APETISER, B is APPITISER, C is APPETISER and D is APPITESRE. Here the correct spelling is C. Here the correct spelling is C. See here, I am doing this one. Here the correct spelling is C. Then you see number 2. Number 2 is OBESETNATE, OBSITNATE, OBSTINATE, OBTSINATE. Here the correct spelling is obstinate. In number 2, the correct spelling is obstinate. Number 3, you see adjacent, ADJACENT, AJACENT, ADJECANT, ADJACANT. The correct spelling is A. ADJACENT. Next you see number 4. Temptation. The TAMTATION, TEMPTATION, TEMPTASHION, TEMPSTETION. Here the correct spelling is temptation, B. Correct spelling is temptation, TEMPTATION. See number 5, tremendous. Now A is TRIMENDUS, TREMENDIOUS, TREMANDOUS, TREMENDOUS. Here the correct spelling is D. Tremendous. See number 6, vigilance. VEGILANCE, VEGILANCE, VIGELANCE, VIGILENCE. Here the correct spelling is B. Vigilance. See the number 7. RECIPIENT, RISIPENT, RECEIPENT, RICEIPEINT. The word is recipient. Here the correct spelling is A. RECIPIENT. See number 8. Circumference. CERCAMFERENCE, CIRCUMFERENCE, CIRCUMFERENCE, CIRCUMEFERANCE. Circumference. Here in number 8 the correct spelling is this one, C. Circumference. Next you see number 9. Exhilarate. CEXIHILARATE, EXHILARATE, EXHILERETE, EXIHILIRATE. Here correct spelling is B. Exhilarate. And number 10. Illuminate. The pronunciation is illuminate. See the spelling. ILLUMINATE, ILLUMINAETE, ILLUMINIAET, ILLUMINATE. The pronunciation is illuminate. So the correct spelling is A. Illuminate. See B. What is the question here? That heading is the choose the correct homophones. So when we will do homophones, first we know what is homophones. Homophones. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. See what is homophones? What is homophones? That homophones is a word. Homophone is a word that is pronounced different. They pronounce the same. Pronounced the same, but their meaning is different. What is homophones? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another. Pronounced the same as another word, but the difference meaning. But their meanings are different. But when we will pronounce that one same, like rain, RAIN, rain. Same is REIGN, rain, and REIN, rain. The pronunciation is same. When spellings are different, meanings are different, but the pronounced are same. See, what is ground into dash to make? What is ground into dash to make bread? What I told for homophones, that homophones is a word that is pronounced the same, but the meanings are different, spellings also different. Wheat is ground. Wheat is ground into dash to make bread. Here the correct answer is flour. 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 Next one you see, grind the pulses in a dash paste. grind the pulses in a dash paste. You see the coarse, core, care. So the pronunciation is same, but their different meanings are here. So grind the pulses in a dash paste. Here the correct answer is coarse. C-O-A-R-S-E. Grind the pulses in a coarse paste. Number 13. Rajan skidded because he did not apply the dash. Rajan skidded because he did not apply the dash. What is the answer here? See, break, B-R-A-K-E. Here break, B-R-E-A-K. Number C is both A and B, none of this. So here Rajan skidded because he did not apply the brake. We know that they are having because he skid means he slipped. Why? Because he did not apply. That control is there, that is in cycle, motorcycle or car, whatever they are having control for that brake. So that one he did not apply the brake. So the answer is this one, brake. See, number 14. They dash at the market where they buy dash. They dash at the market where they buy. You see the options, M-E-A-T, meet, M-E-E-T, meet. B is meet. To fill in the blanks is here. So they dash at the market where they buy dash. See, first one is you see M-E-A-T, meat means you know that chicken. M-E-E-T, meat means when we just meet someone. B is meet, M-E-E-T, meet, M-E-A-T, meet. The C is M-E-A-T, meet, M-E-A-T, meet, M-E-E-T, meet, M-E-E-T, meet. So here two different words are there and two different meanings also here. So they dash at the market. They meet at the market means M-E-E-T, meet. They meet at the market where they buy meat, M-E-A-T. So first one is meat, second one is also meat. The pronouns is same, but you see the meanings are different. So they meet at the market where they buy meat. So the answer is B. Answer is me. See, M-E-E-T, meet. They meet at the market where they buy meat, M-E-A-T, meat. Number 15, you see, eat your dash properly, don't spill. Eat your dash properly, don't spill. Cereals, you see, C-E-R-I-A-L-S, you know this one is not for it. Number B is both A and C, no. Cereals, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, none of this. So cereals means one liquid type food, mostly the kids are having. So here the answer is C. Here the answer is C, cereals, C-E-R-E-A-L-S, cereals. Next we will go the next question. Choose the correct one word substitution for the given phrases. Choose the correct one word substitution for the given phrases. You see here, a person who is skilled in foreign languages means that person or those persons are very much eager for that language, or they know everything for that language. So a person who is skilled in foreign languages, whom we called, or who that the person, so that persons are called linguist. You see, the persons are the linguist. We called them linguist. The option is C. You know, A option is eligible, it's not. B, interpreter, no. D is teacher, no. So here the question is a person who is skilled in foreign languages. So that is linguist. Next you see fear of dogs. Means what we will say that those who are scared about, those who are very much scared about the dogs, what they are calling? They are calling cynophobia. Number B. Scared means I told you, scared, very much afraid. C is cynophobia. C is dogmatic. So this is not the answers. So the correct answer is cynophobia, option B. Number 18. A person who has a long experience in a particular area or activity. A person who has a long experience in a particular area or activity. See the options: employer, you know, employ means somewhere those who are working. Imposter, veteran, cynic. A person who has long experience in a particular area or activity means those who are just roaming one side or one place a long distance or long time. So that are veteran, like our so here the correct answer is veteran. Here the correct answer is veteran. You see the number 19 question, a place for wrestling, where the wrestlings are playing, what is called on that place? That is the arena, crèche, gymnasium, cage. So crèche or gymnasium, cage is not the right answer. The right answer is arena. A place for wrestling. A place for wrestling. So the correct answer is arena. Number 20. A person who sacrifices his life for a cause. Life for a person who sacrifices his life for a cause. See here the options are patriot, martyr, guard, soldier. The correct answer is martyr. Martyr, M-A-R-T-Y-E-R, martyr. A person who sacrifices his life for a cause, martyr. The answer is martyr. Next you see question number 21. Choose the correctly spelled word. Again the questions are that choose the correct spelling. See, monotonous, 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 monotonous. See the spellings: M-O-N-O-T-O-N-O-U-S, M-O-N-T-O-N-O-U-S, M-O-N-T-O-N-U-S, M-O-N-O-T-O-N-E-I-O-S. Here the correct spelling is A, monotonous. B is 22. Question number 22. P-H-I-K-N-O-M-E-N-A-L. Actually the word is phenomenal. So P-H-E-N-O-M-E-N-A-L. phenomenal, so phenomenal, the correct spelling is B, phenomenal. 23, question number 23, see, translucent, 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 translucent. Here the correct spelling is C, translucent. See, translucent. Again you see, choose the correct one word substitution for the given words. A thing kept in memory of an event. We just spend so many events, so when it will keep in your mind, so that is, see, gift, souvenir, casino and maiden. That in this question, a thing kept in memory of an event, that is called souvenir. A man-made place where water is collected. A man-made place where water is collected, means where we collect the water, that is called what? Where man-made place is that? That is aquarium, pond, a very reservoir. So this is the answer, is the reservoir. The answer is reservoir. Okay students, so your first chapter is completed. Next again I will teach you the second chapter.